Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today's gonna be a little mini tutorial. It's not gonna be a super long prolonged video. It's actually gonna be really fast. So if you're trying to get your hair like mine is in the thumbnail, first things first, whatever wig you have, make sure you apply it. Have it on already. I already got this on already. So firstly, I'll talk about the wig really quick and then I'm going to talk about it additionally at the end. So this wig is from Allove Hair Company and it is in 24 inches. It is a frontal wig and I will hop back on to talk about more details. So I'm going to try to like walk you guys through the beginning. Now this wig isn't applied completely, like I have it on but it's kind of like a day old, so I'm gonna just hope and pray that it, you know, cooperates. So first things first, well, just to protect your lace if you use like Got2b, but if you use like a waterproof glue you don't have to really do this step, but just literally place a scarf like tightly around your lace, okay, like tight as you possibly can to prevent it from popping up when you're yanking at it and stuff. So after that, we're going to part our hair where we wanted to. Now I had it parted, literally just part it wherever. Now I personally am going to do a side part because I want to swoop. Just taking this hot comb really quick and I'm going to lay it so it's laid. So then we are going to take the bang. Okay, we're gonna take the bang and then you need to like section it off. So I'm just gonna like braid it, I guess. So now here's the fun part. So we're gonna make a ponytail like we regularly would. I don't want it low obviously, so it's gonna be high, so that's what we're gonna do really quick. Okay, so now that we got the hair in a ponytail, we're going to take one of these. You're gonna need one of these. You can get them at your local beauty supply. Honestly, you can get them anywhere. I even believe Walgreens has these. So you're gonna need this and a scrunchie, and you may need some bobby pins, but I'm gonna try to like wrap it under. So just gonna take this, pull the hair through, spread it all around, make sure the bun is completely covered. Or covered as much as you can. So then we're gonna take this and we're gonna just pop it over, and then you're just gonna spread. You're gonna keep spreading until you're like satisfied. So the extra hair you really can just wrap around. Just grab it, wrap it. You may have to bobby pin the like end piece, but okay. I'm trying to make it big, y'all. Okay, I think that's as big as it's getting. So let me take the scarf off really quick. Now we're gonna unbraid our braid. We're gonna brush our bang, kind of like try to swoop it, like, you know, make it as deep as, you know, and swooped as you would like. I really love swooped, so I'm gonna take about like 3 bobby pins and firstly, you know, swoop it behind your ear. So then we're gonna take a bobby pin and we're gonna pin it, and then the remainder we're just gonna like wrap around and pin at the top so it kind of connects like so. Pin it And I'm gonna shape the bun some more, y'all. I just can't see. So okay, we got some baby hair. Okay, we got our swoop, we got our bun, and really you're done. Now let me just go play with this bun a little bit more off camera, and I'll be back to talk about this wig. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. Do not ask about the back because I never can do the back on camera when I do this, but this wig does have a piece of lace, so you can cut that off or you can glue it. And also just straightening your kitchen and kind of like picking some pieces of hair out will make it look natural. Trust me, I have done it a million times. So this is the finished look, you guys. We got a nice swoop bang. I did play with the bun a little bit, made it just a little bit bigger. You guys might can see through it. I wanted it to be a little bit more bigger, that's all. But I am going to tell you guys about this wig and my thoughts on it thus far. So once again, this wig is from Allovehair, and I've been wearing it for about a week now. It is 24 inches, 150 density. It has 3 combs and adjustable straps. The parting is 13 by 4, and it's obviously an ear-to-ear soft lace frontal. Now, they did tell me that they do have wigs that are like, you know, thicker in density. This one is just 150. They told me that people like thinner ones for summer, and I do agree personally. Honestly, now that I think about it, like, don't nobody want no hot wig in the summer. Like, no sis, it's so ugly. So I really like the wig thus far. It hasn't given me any problems. I've slept in it, I'd say 3 times. I've been wearing it for about a week, so I think it's really nice. It's really nice for the price. You're getting it under $200. And they do have like bundle deals if you want the same look, but you're like you want to make your own wig type of person, or you want bundles in a frontal type of person, which I get. Everybody has their own preference, but I did, you know, put this on. It was pretty easy. It helps if you install it while you already did your baby hairs and put the lace on. Like, I've done a high bun like this with another wig like months ago, probably like almost over a year ago, and it was just a high bun, so it was a little bit harder. But I like this because I'm seeing more people with swoops. Shout out to WAP, and just, you know, it's just becoming more of a trend to have a nice swoop. I love swoops, like, period. Like, I wear my real hair like this, so I thought this was a cute hairstyle I shared with you guys. Also, I want to throw in that shipping with this company took about 3 days via FedEx. Did not take long at all like I thought it would, so I really like that. No issues as far as shedding or tangling, just minimal here and there. Are interested in this wig, check out the description box, and if you guys have any questions or anything that I missed, or a question about how to do this or something I didn't show, comment below and I will get back to it. And like always, I love you guys, and I will see you on the next video.